Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review, and today we are working with, let's thank Beautyforeverhair for sending this wig. So they are the sponsor today for today's video. We're gonna just go inside and see all the goodies that we receive. You know what, I absolutely love these bags. They are so handy and I use them a lot. Wig cap, edge band, more wig cap. We have a bag for the wig, which is a drawstring bag. And then we do have the wig right here. I think this is in the length 24 inches. Let's go in. We got the tabs just in case. Oh, it's a curly wig. I think it's a 6x4 or a 7x5 closure wig. Tell me now. I love closure wigs. The company's been sending closure wigs and I love it. And this is pre-everything, so pre-cut, pre-bleach. Yes, this is easy. Doesn't have to curl, obviously, because we do have curls working with. But the main thing about this wig that I like is that at the back you do have a drawstring, so we don't have to worry about if the wig is gonna fit our head. They make it so it fit any head size. This is how it looks when you draw the string, so it becomes tight and snug. Can you guys see? That's how it is. See, it's snug. Now we do have, let's open that back for the time being. So this is the drawstring right here, and we do have a breathable cap inside. We have combs each side that I love, and of course my favorite is having a comb at the back. Now we do have a band that we can go on and have it more snug on our head. Love wigs with this, but this is the drawstring right here, so all we have to do is pull it. I'll show you guys how it works once I install the wig. This is the drawstring. Love that, and the wig will be snug on your head. Now we're gonna go in and finesse this wig. It is full, I like that, and add water to it. Let's go in and start the install. It's already pre-bleach, pre-cut. I'm just gonna go in and do it how I like, HD lace of course, and then I will be back. Look at the curls. Let's take a moment. The wig is on, and look at that lace. Beautiful, right? We did the drawstring, so all we got to do is slip it on, slip it off. I am gonna go in and tighten the band so it's a little bit more snug. The drawstring area, what I like about it is that around that area, that side, it is thick enough so once you pull it, it's not gonna move. Remember to draw the band as well when you install the wig. That will help with extra security of having a glueless install. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm pulling the band as tight as I want it. The comb at the back, snug it, and then I'm gonna pull the drawstring again. I showed you guys for demonstration. Now I'm gonna do it because I didn't tighten the band. A wig with a band, oh, nice. And we females, we like to feel not just that it looks that way, but we like to feel the security of the wig. If your wig is too slack, you feel like it's gonna fall off or the lace is gonna be lifted in a couple of days. Now once you pull that, it will be perfect. Alright, so now we're snug. I'm definitely gonna leave this as a glueless install. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some mousse, and then We're gonna tie down that area, define the curls, and that's it. The wig is done. Can you believe that? The wig is done. Love the curls, but I'm definitely gonna define it and show you guys. So the first thing is adding the mousse. This is key. The mousse also helps the wig to look like it is glued down. So I like to do that and then just tie it down for a couple of minutes and we're good to go. Alright, there we go. We're gonna go in with the band, the edge band, put that around while we define the curls, and I'm gonna show you how simple this wig is. The hardest thing for you to do is nothing, okay? That's how simple it is. So we're gonna put the band exactly at the lace. We are gonna go in and define the curls, so you guys can just keep on watching. That's very easy. I use the mousse, the water bottle, and just a regular brush, shampoo brush. So keep on watching. The hair is still wet. I will let the hair self-dry because I like it when it's self-dry, but I did my makeup. I'm just gonna take off the band and show you guys how it looks so far with just the mousse. Once it's dry, we will use a comb and comb out that area. So you basically don't need to put any glue on the hair, you see? Then we're gonna wait for that to dry, fluff it out, and it should be perfect. Really simple and easy. Now this is the curls. We're gonna wait for it to dry and then I will be back and show you guys, and we might do a little styling just to show you, but once hair is fluffed out, it's gonna look super cute. But you see, the lace is perfect where you do not need to glue it down or anything. All you gotta do is lift it up. So let's wait for the hair to dry and I will be back. Look at that. It is much later, guys. I let the hair self-dry. Now we're back. Now, like, we're talking about the lace because it is giving. I love the texture. First, when I did it, you saw that it kind of, you have to scrunch up the hair so it can form back the curls, but the curls are absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for something simple, no baby hair, because it's a pre-everything, then you can go with this hairstyle. I love it. I want to show you guys the length of how it is. It is 24 inches. The curls are beautiful. The lace, the curls, everything. And this is the full length of the hair. Let's see if we can go back and get. So this is the full length of how the hair looks. It's so pretty. And then 24 inches. We have the back. This is how it looks. And remember, we have the drawstring at the back, so the wig is snug. So that's the drawstring. I don't have to do nothing. If you want to fluff out your curls, you can go ahead and do that. Oh, it looks, oh, I love it. Yes. Let the hair self dry. I recommend you doing your hair a couple hours before. Let it self dry, because this is everything. And like I said, the lace, it's like it's out the package. No baby hair is required, and it's a 7x5. Is it 7x5 or 6x4? I'll leave it on the screen. Either way, it is beautiful because the curls are given. It's really easy, beginner friendly as usual. It's been like that. Like, I feel like I've been doing a lot more beginner friendly wigs, and they're so versatile where you can change up the different styles. So if you want to do an updo, and I like to freelance with my updos. Like, I like when my updo kind of look more youthful. So that means I like to leave out the front part. And with leaving out the front part, it gives me that look. So we're gonna try a updo look, but leaving out that part.
Change my mind. Now I see you as one of a kind. How I really need you. How I really need you.
Alright guys, so I showed you guys that you can wear the wig in an updo. For me, we are going to take it back down because it's a curly wig, so we can freelance with it. And there we go, just like that. So today you want to go to work and you don't want to wear the updo, you can go like this. So this is a really easy wig. The link will be in the description. I think you should get it. I think you need this wig, especially vacation time is coming up, right? We're going on spring break. We're going in the water, so we need this wig. Then summertime afterwards. So this is the perfect wig with the curls for that, especially if you're not a person to style your hair, because all you need, if you go in the water with this, you come out and that's it. So it's a perfect vacation wig for spring break. So grab it. The link will be in my description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you to Beautyforeverhair for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check the link, the details to their website, and every other wig, including this wig, is there. So I'll see you guys in the next one.